make money in Zora app. So this is a new Web3 social app which is quickly getting traction and popularity, and this is a really nice time for you to get into this app while it is still niche and there is a lot of opportunity for growth and money making. So what is that? So the idea behind this app is not new. It has been tested like for hundreds times already, but not yet reached like product market fit. So basically this is a social media and every post is a token in here. So you create your account and when you're posting, you created a token and that's the idea. So then how you make money here? So therefore there are a lot of ways to make it. So you can make it either as a creator or just by trading coins. So if you create content in here, so for example, you create this image, this is just an idea. And then you can just basically, so other people, if they like your post, they will buy it. Instead of liking it, they will just tap buy and buy it with Sparks, which is a small amount, very small amount of Ethereum, basically coins, as I understand. And then people just buy it. And then you collect this amount and then you can basically convert this money. So sounds quite impressive, but in fact it's not that easy. So you can see some posts like $800, $1,000, $400 and 900, 2,000. So someone just created a post and boom, it's like $2,000 and then you can basically withdraw it. But it's not that easy because you actually need to be a good graphic designer or good meme creator and get some traction or have some audience. So it's not that easy. But again, if you're a good creator, you can create value like that. And also another thing is that there is some kind of creator coin, which is a combination of all, which is basically your username ticker. It's another token. Basically, yeah, that's the idea. And then you have tokens for each of your posts, and then you have your own main token, which is basically your username. So if you're a popular creator in here, you can see, for example, some people have real nice market caps. You can see that here is their coin. And then that's they hold in their coin. So if you're a creator, you own 50% of your coin. Other people can buy 50% of that coin and they just buy it. And the more they buy it, the more market cap is. And basically then you can also sell your coin. And so as a creator, these are two ways how you earn. Post content, sell your content for tokens, and then your own token grows in value. But if you're not a good creator, if you can't create, this viral post, someone just posted it and it's like $70,000, $60,000 and so on. But, it's a good graphics. I don't know like how to value it, but it's a good quality. If you can't do it, you can just trade on this app as you're doing on Coinbase or if you're doing on Binance. So here are all of these creators and all of them have their own tokens, for example, and then you can just buy this token. So you can just buy it with Sparks, which again, this is some Ethereum token, which you just top up. So you just buy it and then you just sell it. So, if you see this is the coin, you can see the value of it over the months. If you just bought it in August and then you could sell it, if you bought it August 5th or whatever, then and sell it August 11th, it increased the value in 2 times, something like that. So, and then you just sell it. So similar as you do with meme tokens or with meme coins. That's it. But the thing is, this app is not yet that viral. And as you can see, some top holders, for some top creators, you have like maybe 100 holders, few hundred holders. And you don't have, thousands, millions of holders as for popular meme coins or tokens. So the competition is much less. It's easier to get in. And especially if you understand art or digital art, all of these NFTs, and you see, okay, this is the guy right now, he has this market cap and this, and then you just browse in the profile and it's like, okay, I think he will create much more better content. So you just buy this coin and then you wait until it goes up and then you just sell it. So similar as, again, Robin Hood or whatever, but you need to be good at understanding art or like, graphics design or virality of the content. So you need to be understanding, here is the creator, I think is undervalued, I will buy a lot of his creator coin and then sell it when he has a lot of followers. That's, I guess, the logic of this app. So try it out, pretty cool.